Today let us see more about layers. Layers are important whenever you are working in Photoshop. Say I'll create a new file, say 8 inches by 10 inches, background white. If I say transparent background, nothing will be there. So I'll say white background, 300 resolution. Say okay. I'll put some color inside this. I'll take the bucket tool, put the color. See, I want to put dark brown. So click inside this. Okay. On this, I want to put some image. File open. Say I want to open image. This. Okay. Now for this image, there is no clear outline. So that for highlighting, there will be proper problem. So I'll go image add image adjust level. Okay. You just increase the size of this. And this is to make it more clear. So don't be, yeah, okay. So okay. Now you can take highlighting tool. So you will take magnetic. So mark the area. I'm doing it fast because of the size of the video. You try it. Control D to remove the highlighted. If it is wrongly highlighted, press Control or Control D. Okay. Now I'll take this down. I'll take this lady inside this. Okay. Now I want to size this lady. Suppose I want to size equally on all the sides. Press the alternate key, side corner and drag. Sorry. Press the alternate key. Keep it pressed. Side, corner and drag. So equally on all the sides. Then you press enter. Take it in here. This is one layer. I want to make a duplicate copy. I want to make this layer very light. Okay. So to make this layer light, for the layer is selected. Here the opacity of the layer is very light. You can make the layer very light also. Okay. I want to make one more copy of this layer now. So right click on the layer and make it duplicate layer. Or you can go to the layer, say duplicate. Okay. Right click and make duplicate layer. Okay. So this is one more layer. This I'll make it 100%. Opacity 100%. This I'll keep it like this. Okay. Now I want to make one more layer here. Now suppose if I take the brush tool and if I try to, I'll select this tool, this layer. If I take the brush tool and if I try to put some color, it will put the that color will be entered in what, this layer. And suppose by mistaken you saved this file today and tomorrow you want to clear this color, you can't say undo also. Okay, right now you can say, but once it is saved and if you try to open it tomorrow, you won't be able to say undo for that. Okay. So what I'll do, if I want to put color or you want to put some modifications, you can create one blank layer. See, this is called blank layer. Inside the layer panel, this is called blank layer. So you can say blank layer. You can give name also. Double click and give the name to the layer. So if I put color also here, see if I put color also here, so this will be in the separate layer. Even you can take the move tool and drag it. See, you can drag it. It is in the separate layer. If you don't want that layer, click on the layer and drag it in the dustbin. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll take circle from the shape. I'll take ellipse. I'll choose the color, fill tool. Say I want yellow color. Stroke I don't want, so I'll say no stroke. I'll put one circle here. I'll take the move tool and put that circle here. That circle I want behind these two objects. I'll take the circle and drag it down here. So it is behind these two. Okay? And see here. Okay. Now suppose I want to fade this circle. I don't want this way. I want to fade it. So I want to blur it. So what you can do, go to the filters now. Let us see the filters, some of the options from filters. Filter, blur, and say Gaussian blur. Okay. Now you can use this Gaussian blur here or some. Okay. Say okay. So it takes time. If it is too much, I'll slightly reduce it. Blur, Gaussian blur, too much it is. I'll slightly reduce it. So this I'll take it back here. So for preview it takes some time. Let's say okay for that. I'll say undo before that, sorry. Yeah, it is like this. So what I'll do, go to filter, blur, say Gaussian blur, okay. Then I'll slightly increase it, not much. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. So this is the way you can do it. Now, let us see this one also. Now, let us see stamp tool also here. Now, for example, this I don't want it here. Instead of that, I want to put some light candle or something. Or at the same time, on this sari, there is sticks are there. I don't want that also. So what I'll do, I'll select this layer. I'll take the stamp tool. I'll zoom it. I'll zoom it. This flower, I'll stick it slightly less size. I'll press the alternate key on the flower and that flower I'll put it here. Again I'll put alternate key, take it from there, put it here. Alternate key, put it here. Okay, now this is on the sari, so black color. I'll alternate key on the black color and put that here. Alternate key on the black. I'm doing it fast. Control Alt Z. I'll put this. If this is coming this way, Alt key on black color, then you can put this. Okay. Then here also sticks also Alt key on this sari, and then you don't have to keep the Alt key press. Remember, Alt key, select the color, leave the Alt key, and then put that color here. You have to see that plus sign which is moving there. Alt key again here. Remove this. Okay, then alt key inside this, remove this. So like this you have to clear all this. Okay, now here I want to put some diyas. Say I'll say file open. Say these are the picture which I have downloaded from the internet. So there is diya symbol is there. Ah, there. Okay, you open it. Again zoom that area. Again mark. I'm doing it fast. You have to do it carefully. Yeah. Okay. Then you can drag it down. click and drag it inside this, remove this, okay, size it how bigger you want it, put it here somewhere, okay. Now you take the eraser, small eraser, remove this part so that the flowers also it is there inside the flower, okay. So this is the way. Now in between this and this you want to put some like a glowing image. You can use again the circle, select the color, which one? Say I want like, I'm just showing you any color. So I'll put it this way. I want to put it behind this now. So what I'll do, this is my diya. So I'll take this down below the diya. Okay. Then again filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and again I will increase this. Okay. So in short, I showed you all these tools. So this is the way you can design it. Okay. Now see, this is in the separate layer. I can move that glow wherever I want it. I can move it. Okay. This is in the separate layer. I can move it wherever I want. This is in the separate layer. This is separate. So all this. So you can, in short, you can create your blank layer and you can make the changes. Okay.